Need to reschedule your NFL fantasy draft? Whether your league wants more prep time or a better day, I will show you exactly how to change your NFL fantasy draft time in just a few steps. First, log into your account at fantasy.nfl.com. Draft time changes can only be made from the website, not in the mobile app. Click on the League tab at the bottom of the page. Remember, you must be the league commissioner to change the draft. In your league menu, find and click Draft or Draft Settings. This will take you to your league's draft details page. Look for the current draft date and time. Click Edit or Change, then select a new date and time from the calendar pop-up. Once you have picked the new time, click Save and Submit. Your league members will get a notification with the updated draft schedule, and that's it. You have just changed your NFL fantasy draft time. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.